Hey there, wonderful folks. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the timeless wisdom of Leviticus 14. Yes, we know, it might sound like ancient history, but bear with us because the lessons packed in this chapter are surprisingly relevant to our lives today. So let's break it down. Leviticus 14 covers the purification of lepers and the cleansing of houses from mold or mildew. It's not just about rituals and offerings. It's a journey towards restoration and healing, involving priests and the entire community. Restoration and healing. Just like those healed from leprosy found restoration in their community, we can find healing through Christ, both spiritually and emotionally. It's a journey of rediscovering our place in the world. Community involvement. The priest's role and community involvement highlight the importance of support and fellowship. In our lives, we can be pillars of support, providing care and encouragement to those who've experienced healing or restoration. Spiritual renewal. The rituals symbolize spiritual renewal. Today we can engage in practices like prayer, confession, and worship to experience a fresh perspective and renewal in our relationship with God. Offering gratitude. Those offerings were expressions of gratitude for healing. In our lives, cultivating a heart of gratitude, recognizing God's work, and responding with thanksgiving can bring about a positive transformation. Purification of the heart. The cleansing of houses mirrors the idea of purifying our hearts and minds from negative influences. Actively guarding our hearts against harmful thoughts and attitudes is crucial for a healthy spiritual life. Role of spiritual leaders. Just as priests played a significant role in the rituals, today's spiritual leaders guide and provide support to those seeking healing and restoration. Their guidance is essential on our journey towards spiritual wholeness. Application of spiritual truths. While we might not perform the exact rituals, the spiritual truths of restoration, community support, renewal, gratitude, purification, and leadership guidance are incredibly applicable in our lives. In a nutshell, Leviticus 14 teaches us about restoration, community involvement, spiritual renewal, gratitude, purification, and the role of spiritual leaders. It might seem like an ancient script, but these principles guide us towards healing, renewal, and transformation in our lives today. Through Christ, we have access to true restoration and the opportunity to live in a state of spiritual wholeness. So, embrace the journey, my friends. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more insightful content. Until next time, I am your servant in the Lord's service, Evangelist Thomas. Stay blessed.